Hello friends, today we'll learn about the cosmic address. Each one of us have a unique cosmic address. I have my own, you have yours, your brother, your sister, your mom, your dad. Everybody has their own cosmic address. So I can show you mine and you can create yours. You can buy a stack of boxes and create your own. Let me show you mine. Let me first lay it out. Let's start. We live in the universe. We all live in this universe. In this universe, we all live in the Milky Way. In this Milky Way, we all live in this solar system. Our solar system has 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Pluto was a planet, but scientists call it now a dwarf planet. They're still researching on that. So in the solar system, we live on a planet Earth. We all live on this planet Earth. Now in this planet Earth, I live in the continent of North America. In the continent of North America, I live in the country United States of America. And in this country, I live in the state Nebraska. And in the state of Nebraska, I live in the city of Omaha. So my cosmic address is this. And in this city of Omaha, I live in this house. This is my beautiful house. So this is my cosmic address. And now you can create your own. See you again, friends.